Imagine a future where we can feel the wild without disturbing it. Here, visitors can explore the wild, not behind bars, but through connection, interaction, and imagination. With live streams, virtual reality, live tracking, and interactive educational games, embedded in a carefully designed environment to resemble wilderness as accurately as possible, you can immerse yourself in nature and experience wildlife closer and more real than ever before.
Wow. Dad, has it always been like this?
Well...
Over time, people began to realize what had long been ignored. Keeping wild animals in cages was not education, it was cruelty. In the 2020s, protests across the world grew louder. The traditional zoo model, once accepted without question, came under fire and a shift began. Animals were relocated to sanctuaries and, when possible, released back into the wild. Slowly, old enclosures were transformed into spaces of learning, not confinement. Today, we watch animals where they belong. And the profits? They go directly to conservation projects that protect wildlife and their habitats, right where it matters most.
Wow, I can't believe we ever thought cages were okay.
Join the movement for ethical wildlife education. Let's break the chains and reconnect.